everyone, I'm Fitriani. I would like to tell you about introduction in English. Let's check it out, the points when you are going to introduce yourself to other people. In bahasa, introduction is perkenalan. Perkenalan dalam bahasa Inggris sangat-sangat diperlukan di dalam dunia pendidikan dan dunia pekerjaan. Di dunia pendidikan seperti SD, SMP, SMA maupun kuliah, kita pasti akan mempelajari yang namanya perkenalan atau introduction. Begitupun di dalam dunia pekerjaan. Introduction is the main point when you have interview with a boss or manager. Definitely you will get plus score because you can speak English well. So, let's pay attention my explanation about introduction. Here we go. Here there are 3 ways to introduce yourself to people. Baiklah, yang sudah saya rangkum, ada 3 cara untuk memperkenalkan diri dalam bahasa Inggris. Greeting, asking condition, and more about you. Let me explain. Number 1 is greeting. Saying greetings yang artinya salam. Yang kita ketahui, first impression to new people sangatlah penting agar kita bisa mempengaruhi persepsi seseorang tentang kita. Nah, ini adalah contoh greeting dalam bahasa Inggris yang bisa kita pakai. Number 1, you can say hello or hi. For example, hello John, hello Simon, hi Susie, hi Stella, hi Mrs. Star. Well, you can use the name after hello or hi. Well, look at the picture beside me. There are 2 columns. The first one is formal greetings, and the second one is informal greetings. So, I mention once again, greeting is a simple way of saying hello to someone into English. There are 2 ways in which this can be done. And then, it's very important to be able to select an appropriate greeting for every situation. Maka dari itu, jika kita berbicara bersama guru atau orang-orang yang lebih tua dari kita bisa pakai formal greeting. Begitupun sebaliknya, jikalau kita berbicara bersama teman atau yang lebih muda dari kita bisa pakai informal situation atau informal greetings. Okay, so the next point for introduction is asking someone condition. Asking someone condition in bahasa is menanyakan kondisi seseorang. Misalnya, how do you do? How do you do digunakan untuk orang yang baru kenal. Jadi, ketika kita nggak tahu siapa namanya, what is her name, and then you just say hello or how do you do. And then for the next one is how are you? How are you? How are you doing? How is it going? How is life? How is everything? For example, like, how are you today, John? Or, how are you doing, Stella? Is it in bahasa is apa kabarmu, Stella? Apa kabarmu, John? And then for the next one is more about you. So, for going to introduction, so you have to say name, age, date of birth, dress, school, hometown, and hobby. And then in the conversation, you can ask your friend with name, like what is your name, then age, how old are you, date of birth, like when were you born, and then address, like where do you live, school, you can ask where do you go to school, and then hometown, like where are you from, then hobby, you can ask what is your hobby.